Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can write viral posts using ChatGPT and you can schedule it for whole month. Using LinkedIn posts, it can help you to get clients and you can earn some extra money. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. First of all, you have to use proper prompt how you can write. So as you can see, first line, as you can see, this is a topic. So what kind of, this is like a topic, but do you want to write? So write a post on. So here you should add for a keyword. What do you want to target or topic? What kind of topic do you want to write a post on? So after that, this is a follow instruction. As you can see, a post should be defined as a tone, style, and language. What should be the tone of your post? Or what kind of style do you want? Or what kind of language do you want? Let me break down this thing. The tone need to be informative, enthusiastic about the above mentioned topic. Show a tone of excitement about the topic. So this is all about informative, enthusiastic, or excitement. Second thing, the style. The writing style is, as you can see, emotional and other things, caution readable and convince their enthusiasm. You got that, right? After that, language. Use simple, accessible language. Like the way I'm talking to you, this is just a casual language. I'm just talking to you or anyone else. So you can change it to your according, like what kind of language do you want? A professional way, or what should be your tone, or you need more emotional, or what kind of style do you want, or enthusiastic. It depends on your own style. You have to find your own style. After that, the language describe like words like crazy, powerful, and what kind of words you need, or what kind of word you mostly use, like cool. All right, yeah, got it. You got my point, right? So let's get into it. The spacing. Organize the content into paragraph. Make it visual, clearly easy to read. Separate the different type of informative allow you to focus on specific aspects. So it depends on your own view, or what kind of tone do you need, what kind of spacing do you need. So I will give you prompt in description below. You can get it if you want. Make sure to write your own prompt because it helps your own taste. What kind of taste do you have? What kind of things do you really need? So let's enter it. So this is a topic. You can change or according to your need. So enter it. It stopped writing. As you can see, it stopped writing. So this is a very long paragraph. As you can see, this is a really long post. So let's break down it. So here is a second paragraph. As you can see, the thing I have written, can you make the post length slightly shorter, still retaining the points mentioned above? Also make sure to retain style, tone, language, etc. Okay, you have to make sure the all tone, style, language, spacing you had added should be seen. Second thing, also add 2-line break after every sentence, and no sentence is longer than 20 words. You can change it to 25 or 20, 30, depends on your own need. 20 is like average. So let's enter it and see what will we get. So as you can see, this is a little bit shorter. So let's make it bigger. Let's add 30. Yeah, as you can see, the difference. So what you have to do is just copy it or change tone, style according to your own need. I will give you all prompt in description below. You can get it from there. So that's all. So this is how you can write a LinkedIn post using ChatGPT. You can write a viral post in just few minutes. You can schedule it for whole month. So if you like the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to it and save it for later as well. And see you in the next video.